Hi everyone, I'm Heather. Welcome to Strings and Threads, streaming to you from my dungeon of dreams. Join me in the magical world of crochet, knitting, and all things yarn. If you're a fellow yarn enthusiast, hit that subscribe button and become part of our creative journey. Let's dive into today's project. Hi, welcome to Things We're Making Thursday.
Things we're making Thursday, things we're making Thursday.
Things We're Making Thursday is a collab that's in its third year. We've changed it up each year. The first year, everybody made the same pattern, but they made it the way they wanted to with their own type of yarn, their own size hook, and that type of thing. And it was fun to see how everybody making the same pattern could make it look different. And then last year, we had themes for each month, and everybody just made something based on that theme. And then this year is the year of design, and where there's a theme for every month, but you're supposed to design your own pattern based on that theme. And anybody is welcome to join. There's nobody that you have to ask permission from. You can just come in and join and make videos, or you can join our Facebook group if you don't want to make videos, and you can post pictures there. I have the Facebook page listed in my description. I also have what the themes for each month are. And you're welcome to join every Thursday, which is why it's called Things We're Making Thursday. We come on and we talk about Things We're Making Thursday. I've decided this year to just limit myself to one Things We're Making Thursday a month because I have a lot going on and I have a lot that I want to design and get out there. So this is my one time for March, and then I will see you again for Things We're Making Thursday in April. March's theme was either coasters or mug rugs. And so I was really excited. I used cotton yarn to make this. It was called Peaches and Cream, stripy. But I found this really nice textured stitch that I used to make the coasters. And I think these will be so cute sitting on our end tables. I'm excited to put them out for people to use. And I would suggest cotton because I think they would be easy to wash and they would absorb the liquids pretty easily. But you're welcome to make them however you would like. I did put up a tutorial for how to make these. So if you liked these coasters that I designed, feel free to watch the tutorial and make some for yourself. The theme for April of 2025 is to make a cup or can cozy. So I'm excited to see all the designs that people come up with for that. That will be a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you participating in some way, whether it be through the Facebook group or posting videos. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.